Welcome to Funded.now, the ultimate hub for futures prop traders. On Funded.now, you can compare prop firms side by side, account to account, firm to firm, with powerful filters that help you find the exact account that fits your strategy. Trade micros? Hate consistency rules? Want EOD drawdown? Just set the filters and find your perfect match in seconds. You can also use built-in tools like the consistency rule calculator, lot size calculator, and drawdown simulator to plan before you risk real capital. Check which prop firms are available in your country, track your trading expenses, and stay updated with the economic calendar. All in one place. Stop guessing. Start choosing smart. Go to Funded.now and find the prop firm that fits you.
Hello guys, good morning everyone. Hello. How are you guys? Happy Monday. Long time no see, right? Oh, it's dark. Yeah, I forgot to turn. 1 second. 1 second. Oh. Done. Should work now. What time is it on? Which one? It's like extra large. No, not this one. Oh. That's weird. Whatever. We got it. Dasha. Daniel, it's your birthday? Send me a message. Daniel, send me a message now. Send me a message on Discord now. How people can make $20,000 in TradeZella leader competition, guys? I don't know why people like crazy trying to make like a lot right now. On the first round, because first round doesn't really like you need to be in top 1,000 to get to second round. After second round, your balance is going to be start from the very beginning again. Like, what's the point to make like $10,000 a day? I don't understand this. Daniel, 1 second. Check message. Send it just now. Well, but I still will talk about this. I made $0 yet simply because I didn't want to trade on Sunday. Da-dum, da-dum. Yeah, I'm at flow. I'm going to participate in second round. I want to participate in first round. I know I don't need to do this, but I signed up for first round as well. So why not to trade on Steam? So I'm still sitting in my old office because I'm personally going to move with my kids on Friday, this Friday. So it's empty here as you can see, but I have to sit here until Friday. Let me use it for reflex. Okay, let me ask you a question and you will figure this out. So you want to pass your evaluation for 1 day or you don't really care about this? That's my first question. With Lucid evaluation, you want to pass for 1 day or you don't really care about this? Yeah, I feel I'm going to kill this today, yeah. Don't care, okay. It's already like more towards flex. Do you want to have consistency on funded account, yes or no? No, then flex is your option. Lucid flex is your option. I didn't do analysis yet. I just started like a minute ago. Then flex is your option. Main difference between Pro and Flex is evaluation consistency and funded consistency. So with Lucid Pro, you can pass for 1 day your evaluation, but you're going to have consistency rule on funded. While on Flex, you're going to have consistency on evaluation, but not on funded. And if I'm not mistaken, definitely can be wrong about Pro, but I believe with Pro, your payouts every 5 days, while with Lucid Flex every 3 days. Flex is better. I'm still sitting in an old place until this Friday, guys. We're moving on Friday night. After NinjaTrader stream, we're going to move. So yesterday, what we expected to get, we wanted to see equilibrium of Friday range, right? Yes, yesterday, if you missed my Sunday stream, you can watch. No, I didn't do anything with my hair. I just changed my shampoo. That's pretty much it. I didn't cut. It's still the same. It's like shorter hair, always. No, it's still the same. Yesterday we wanted to see equilibrium of Friday range and Q just broke above this level, ES still below this level. Which means new office looks horrible, guys. There's nothing in there yet. I'm going to spend like Friday night, Saturday, and Sunday. Also Monday. I believe Monday is going to be May 25th, right? It's going to be bank holiday. I'm going to build my office. So that's a good question. So I'm bullish on NQ. I explained why I'm bullish on NQ yesterday. Oh god. Because on daily chart on NQ it failed to offer order block. Well, on yes it did this. So which means NQ is still bullish. We're going to have bigger office, so we have more space for push-ups. So I'm bullish on NQ, and we just like I'm not sure like what I want to trade today, short or long. I don't really care about this because we intraday traders, we don't need to care about short or long. We can scalp both sides. But looking at current structure on NQ, we just broke above equilibrium Friday range. We're still sitting below this level on ES, and I do want to see this level. But the most important part we covered is yesterday. Both ES and NQ respected mean threshold of hourly OB. As long as we respect the mean threshold of any order block, bullish, bearish, whatever, this means it's strong OB. Since we're staying above 50% of hourly OB, it's strong OB. That's why it offered nice, absolutely nice reaction. So I wouldn't mind to get slightly higher today. Since yes, trading below equilibrium Friday range, we need to see retracement to downside, to enter continuation, long continuation, to aim for 74.57. And probably my trade idea will be only yes for now. But remember guys, I said this yesterday, I'm going to repeat again. Once both ES and NQ will offer strong displacement above equilibrium Friday range, guys, we're going to 30,000, 30k on NQ. So that's what I expect to get. You said weekly, oh yeah, once again, definitely possible. Right now, key moment for us is to see how we're going to respect equilibrium Friday range on ES. We're still below this level. Also, probably you want to highlight 50% of this weekly week. Yeah, I would like to see some bear here. If no strong displacement above equilibrium Friday range, guys, I will stay bearish on ES probably. So that's what I would like to get. I'm going to call this my daily objective. That's the difference between, that's the range between equilibrium Friday range and 50% of weekly week. You talking about equilibrium Friday range, Danielle? Or what? No, if hourly OB, no, I didn't include weeks. Just bodies. Just bodies. Oh, this one? No, just week. Go on weekly chart. See? Huge week. From top to bottom. Only week. Donut leaf candle. Just only week. Okay. I had a plan to trade today my funded accounts. We'll see. Like, guys, I don't really need to participate in first round because I'm going to participate in second round. I'm like outflow, or how to call this. You want to see some shorts? We will see. We will see. My daily objective is here, so technically we can get some shorts from here, even if it's going to be scalp. Just need to pump a little bit more, guys. A little bit more. It's still too early to place any positions, I guess. No, you can only join first round. Second round, like top 1,000 people will go to second round. What advice can you give someone who just started streaming on YouTube? Well, ignore hate. Try to make fun of haters. That's what I always recommend to do. Don't be scared to take losses on stream. It's just part of the game. No one is going to blame you for taking losses. Yes, they're going to say like, damn, I took a loss because of you, but you don't need to care about this. Just trade, and you don't need to care what people think about you. That's it. Always be confident in your setups, in your trades, in your model, and what you say. That's it. And don't be shy, as always. As always. So, talking about Apex prices. So, every single evaluation that Apex has, it's 30 days evaluation. It's only active for 30 days. You cannot leave this account for second, third month, or fourth month. This evaluation active only for 30 days. After this account is going to be closed in case you didn't pass this account and you need to buy another one. Did I answer your question? Yeah, only shorts for discount, so we're going to just scalp. To be successful and use code. Love you for this, you're the best. You're not late, don't worry. So probably our idea is to see if before market open ES not going to hit my daily objective area. I would like to see some retracement to downside to get continuation setup to hit this objective area, so we may actually scalp longs. Just for now. Do you try? Not really. Did you watch his videos? I just don't know what will tell me to flip my bias to short. I mean, technically it's possible. I just don't know. I would like to get... Maybe I'm wrong, guys. It's perfectly fine. This happens. Would like to get something like this, you know? Like, I would like to see reaction from this target area for shorts. We will see. What kind of videos you want to get? How to get funded? If you go to the description of my YouTube stream, you will find prop firm guide or something like this. I don't remember exact name. Maybe it will help you. I'm gonna update this guide soon, but like overall information pretty much like straightforward. How to keep account alive and so on. If you're talking about like videos about funded accounts, like how to manage these funded accounts, I don't have videos, but I do have PDF. Go to the description of the stream. I don't remember like exact name, but something like prop firm guide. Hello, hello. Gold doing exactly what we want to see so far. Let's see a bit more to upside. Euro futures we discussed on Friday on NinjaTrader Live. We need to get an attempt to go higher to offer transition from first stage to second stage of market maker sell model. Hello. So it can be nice transition here. An attempt to sweep this buy side, please. If not this buy side, let's hit rejection block at least. Okay, that's for Euro futures. Tomorrow is arena competition, NinjaTrader Arena competition. So I just prepare analysis to trade this. For shorts, yeah, let's see. Hello, good morning, guys. I hope you're going to have perfect Monday today. I would say MNQ analysis will depend on ES. So next level on NQ is 29,538. So if you're going to get this retracement, longs on ES, probably NQ will hit 50% of a weekly week. Then we will see. Which ICT? We have only one ICT. So technically you're looking for, let me show you something. So right now we retrace to daily inversion fair value gap. You're talking about a daily fair value gap over here, right? Oh, inversion fair value. Yeah, I got it. Okay. Yeah, you're right. So the problem is right now, yes, we do have daily order block. We hit daily inversion fair value gap. So technically ES looks a bit more bearish comparing to NQ. Why it's a problem for us? Because we got an attempt to offer daily OB on NQ, but look where we closed. We closed inside the range of the sequence of up close candles. That's the problem. That's why yesterday on our market prep I said, my bias, my weekly bias, will depend how we're going to close on daily on Monday. Are we going to get closure below sequence of up close candles, or are we going to close inside these candles again? At this point, guys, we're going to stay bullish until we hit 30,000 on NQ this week. That's why I said, like, probably I'm going to stay like with no bias on Monday, because it's totally depend on how we're going to close today on daily chart. It's going to sell, let me see. I think it's going to sell somewhere from like 500. Around so. Once again, definitely can be wrong, but that's my opinion. This is how I see this. I don't like this big pre-market move. AM session can be garbage. Weekly. You talking about weekly fair value gap? So I had 50% of weekly a week. Let's see. From 50%. What I'm missing? You talking about sweep? I mean, definitely we have sweep, but I don't like how this candle overall looks now. Guys, let me talk about ICT playlist now. Yeah, it's bullish. You're right, NQ bullish. Yes, that's 100% bullish. Yes, looks quite opposite. Well, guys, let me talk about, if you're new to ICT but you want to learn ICT, let me show you something. If you go on my website, Funded.now, click here, Learn ICT videos. So I created playlist. It's only ICT videos, not mine. I created playlist, it's syllabus, so basically from the very beginning to advanced. So I put videos in proper order, so you don't need to go on ICT YouTube now, looking video one by one. So I put all, not all ICT videos, I pick only 144 videos and I put them in proper order. Starting foundation, core, advanced, extra, and market maker model. After watching every single video, you can leave notes. Once again, if you're going to click on this video, it will go on ICT YouTube channel. It's not my videos, it's ICT YouTube videos. But I truly believe if you're going to watch this in this order, you will be okay. And I don't recommend to buy any courses, just watch this one. Next one, if you want to understand how I trade, how I trade. You can go on my Twitter because I share this completely for free and find this post. Let me send link in the chat as well. So at this point, you're going to click show more, and I put 9 lessons that I personally use. It's my lessons. I wrote them for my trading, starting with price delivery, all in PDF format once again. Top-down analysis, including market maker model, everything is here. Standard deviation projections, New York midnight open, everything, like, once again. It's my explanation. So I have videos about this on my YouTube, but if it's really hard for you to understand my accent, yeah, thanks, ICT, exactly. Yeah, it's just like introduction part. That's why I put this in foundation. Basically introduction, how it works. ICT shows his accounts, yes. I don't sell, guys, anything for you. I just trying to provide only free information, so you don't need to buy any courses. You don't need to subscribe for paid, I know, Discord or something like this. Everything is here for free. Even indicators, I always trying to find something for free, like free options, so everyone can use this. We're waiting for retracement to downside to get moved towards my daily objectives, the range between equilibrium Friday range and 50% of weekly wick, and reaction. I'm looking at yes now because at least yes has levels that we can aim for in case we're going to get in trade. On NQ, I don't really have levels. I mean, technically, I do have level, which is 50% of weekly wick, but that's pretty much it. Well, market is going to open in 10 minutes. So once again, my personal lessons are here. You can download them. You can watch them on YouTube. Once again, completely for free. ICT lessons from his YouTube is here. Yeah, I'm going to trade Lucy today on Ninja, of course. If you bought TradeAway connection, just enter username and password there, and that's it. Hello, hello. Okay, guys, since we still have 10 more minutes, let's talk about this. Once again, let's talk about NinjaTrader Arena competition. I personally going to participate there tomorrow because I signed up for first round. So round 1, 2, 3, basically the same, just different dates. So I'm going to participate tomorrow. Each round has 10,000 participants. So first round and second round completely full. You still have time for a third round, guys. Do this as soon as possible. Let me send you a link to sign up right now. Damn. My Discord said bye, Dasha. Okay. 1 second. Here's a link to sign up for NinjaTrader Arena competition. So let me show you how we're going to do this. So if you're going to click the link that I just sent you, it will send you to this page. You need to log in or get started. I already have account. So as you can see, first round completely full. It's going to start tomorrow. Second round completely full. It's going to start in 8 days. So next Tuesday. And third round almost full, guys. Almost full. So you still have time, like two weeks. So after you enter this page, click sign in case you have account. And once again, since first round and second round completely full, we're going to participate in third round. I'm going to participate in first round. So what I'm going to do? I'm going to pick round 3. Once again, link in the chat if you want to sign up. It's real cash prizes, guys. We're going to view details now. We're going to click join competition. So what we're going to have? Completely for free, they're going to provide you sim account. It's going to be 25K account. You're not going to have daily loss limit. You're not going to have end of the day drawdown. It's 1 day competition. Your drawdown is 25,000, guys. Got it, right? So at this point, you will be able to trade micro ES, micro NQ, micro gold, micro oil, and euro futures. So I already made analysis for these instruments yesterday. So it's nice. So after this, we're going to scroll all the way down and click here. I have read and agree and join competition. Over here, you're going to click this. I cannot click simply because I can participate just in one round. I'm going to be live tomorrow streaming my competition. Also, guys, second option for you. If you go on my website and click here, NinjaTrader Arena, over here, see? Click in here. I'm doing giveaway for people who are going to sign up for a NinjaTrader Arena competition. It's going to be TradeView straight to funded, Lucid straight to funded, TPT 150k vals, E8 futures 50k vals, and Epics any size you're going to pick, any type of drawdown. You're going to scroll all the way down. Let me send you a link first. If you want to participate in this giveaway, you're going to scroll all the way down, and you're going to click here. Submit your entry. You're going to click here, open NinjaTrader Arena competition, sign up for this. Then once you sign up for this competition, you can fill this form and you're going to enter giveaway. But first, what you need to do is sign up for a NinjaTrader Arena competition. It's $0, 0 cents, guys. Just you need to make as much as you can. Yes, guys, I participate in every single competition. Yes, I'm going to participate in first round tomorrow. What is that? Okay. Guys, of course, if I promote any competition, this means I'm in this competition as well. I'm not, guys, scared to lose my reputation when I'm going to lose competition. It's fine. But I always participate. Is that Pokemon? No. It's like, see? It's a bitch there. So let's wait for market to open. I participated in like 5 NinjaTrader Arena competitions. I participated in BDH competition. It was like last year. I participated in TradingView Arena Cup. It's my second time there. What else? I think that's it. It's just California. I wouldn't mind to get some shorts from this area. NQ already hit this level, so technically on NQ, I am okay to short from this box. Look at this almost perfect square, almost perfect. So on this, on NQ, I don't mind to short from here. Short where to Asia low, New York midnight open. On ES, I wouldn't mind to get in shorts from here. Like from here, please. For competition, which one? TradingView or NinjaTrader? Asia low? Yeah, New York midnight open and Asia low. We will see. So let's try to stay away from being made it to our bias today. It's only Monday. NinjaTrader. So once you sign up for competition, just log in again to your NinjaTrader Arena competition account, and you will scroll all the way down. You will find this. Let me show you. Since I already signed up for this competition, I'm going to sign in. It's gonna be here. Your account will appear on your NinjaTrader tomorrow. You just need to click on NinjaTrader. On NinjaTrader, click on Connections and find Simulation Connection. It's going to be this account. From nowhere, technically you're right. It's going to be the action from Equilibrium Friday range, but yes, hit daily inversion fair value gap. Daily inversion fair value gap quite a big range, so I wouldn't mind to get like somewhere here. Hello, Frank. I didn't see you on Friday, or I saw you. I don't remember you on Friday. This 50%, it's 50% of weekly week. weekly week. Last night, no. Come on, yeah, I don't remember. Wild. That's wild. Ta-dum. Second round, that's nice. Wish you good luck. It's going to be next Tuesday. I'm going to participate tomorrow. Guys, I'm going to participate in first round, but only, let's check this one. Now you can sign up for first round only. So it's like 5,000 seats left. It can be gone by tomorrow, so do this as soon as possible. Okay. Let me send you link to sign up for competition. Do this as soon as possible. This competition is great for practice. You in short already? Okay. I don't want to engage before market open. 1 minute chart, sure. What do you see on 1 minute chart? Quite choppy, no? Barcode here, no? Don't like it yet. I'm gonna wait for market to open first. It's quite choppy to me. Quite choppy to me. Hey Flash Golden, how are you? How was your weekend? Red line. Oh, I just had 50% of Friday range. Once again, on NQ, I want to see a rejection from this gray. It's not gray. It's red box. It's trying to offer this, but I don't want to engage before market open. We can get Judas swing to upside first. Well, guys, market is open. The problem is on ES, yes, we hit daily inversion fair value gap, but I would say I wouldn't mind to get just an attempt to offer manipulation higher, which will be Judas swing and some shorts. Would like to get in shorts from my daily objective area. So technically that's range between equilibrium Friday range and 50% of a weekly week. Okay. Exactly same daily objective area on NQ between equilibrium Friday range and 50% of weekly week. So technically we have room to go slightly higher, especially on yes. Just a bit more higher, please. Offer Judas swing to upside. I also don't like these weeks here, see? Over here. We will see how it goes. If it's going to drop like now, I will wait for silver bullet. Can hold? Yeah, it can. Let's see. SPX. I do like rejection from 25% of RTH gap on Friday. That's solid actually. Nice support. Let's see. We got OT of RTH gap on SPX. Open, close to open. Right inside OT. I don't mind to get some Judas swing to upside first. To engage in shorts, because I would like to get shorts from here, or it's going to be like that. Anyway, I don't trade on 1 minute chart, by the way, if you're in my channel. I use volume profile only for SPX. If you watch me for like a year or more, you know about this. I use volume profile only for SPX, nothing else. I don't use this for ES, NQ, gold, oil. I don't need this. I use only for SPX. It's really good when you trade, for example, options to trade from level to level. I don't use order flow or bookmap. Just dropping right as open. Not fun, not fun. Order block on 5 minute chart going to be here. This one, this candle only, because we got huge sequence of up close candles. No reason. We just got this 5 minute OB. So let's see if it's going to be gained from OB to OB. So 74.26, 74.20 area. This means I do want to, if it wants to retrace higher to offer continuation setup to aim for equilibrium Friday range, last level of support is 74.20. Below this level, let's invalidate this idea. On NQ, I'm perfectly fine with drop already because it's right inside the area where I want to see action. I'm not fine with this drop on ES now. Let's see. Between 26 and 20 area. Lumi levels from yesterday. Let me check. Yeah, you're right about this actually. Do I have unnecessary levels? Of course I do. Right at the open, okay. We're getting the test of 5 minute OB now. Below 20 we will invalidate continuation setup. I will be okay with this. Always log in. It's market just opened, guys. Come on. It's fine. We just opened. Yeah, below 74.20 I would like to see more to downside to hit New York midnight open Asia low. Good morning, guys. $240. Over here, right? Okay, got it. Let's see how we're going to play with 74.20 first. No FOMO. We still can wait. That's oil on daily chart. See how it failed to take 104.93 instead it hit like 104.35 or 40 and offer rejection. We got actually we got triple sweep. So we should go to opposite liquidity level. Next up at 97. Okay, let's switch on the 1 hour chart. Never got the test of ROB yet. So what can happen in reality? This early candle can retrace back to this rejection block here. So technically on oil we can retrace to 101 now, like next 15 minutes. 101, 102. Also we got nice internal OB and fair value gap here. Looks good to me. Let's see if it's going to offer something for us. Fortunately, no model here. Not great, but it is what it is. Middle class first. That's actually funny. On gold, plan remains the same. I would like to see 46.20 around so. On euro, it's basically for tomorrow since I'm going to participate in tomorrow in a competition. Would like to get some longs to continue dropping more. So it's going to be like second stage of redistribution of market maker sell model. If ES disrespect 15-minute fair value gap or what? I got it. Also, if ES will disrespect 50% of 5-minute and 15-minute OB, it will be drop. Good drop. Pasha, don't try to find the logic. Like seriously, logic doesn't make any sense anymore. Especially on indices. Oil quite sharp, so don't see good setups yet. Tesla, for my possible call options, I do want to see continuation setup to hit for 455, 457 on Tesla. So what I would like to get some to downside back to 400, and if it's going to offer the test of 400, 397, yeah, 397, I would like to get for our order block. I will try to buy calls to aim for 455. So something like that. Would like to get continuation with confirmation, which I will use like for OB is going to be confirmation. Only from area between 400 397 around this area. So it's going to be 3 points range only. To look for continuation. To aim for 455. So this line. 457. It's for possible call on Tesla. We'll try, we'll try. Not going to risk a lot, but I will try. On NQ, nothing yet. Nothing that worse yet to trade. Maybe something will change, but we will see. They have equal highs. I do like this weeks as well. Well, this candle on ES still kind of weird to me. Cannot say that it's reversal candle yet. To confirm this reversal candle, I would like to see 5-minute candle closure above this red line. Guys, I wouldn't mind to get in longs today first. To aim for 74.57. Probably I will trade the yes today. From this daily objective area, shorts, amazing. So if it's going to short from this area, textbook, amazing, brilliant, perfect. A deal for me, but I don't want to short yet. OT, really hard to say right now, so we will see. I kind of have more interest in trading ES. Gold. We need to pump on gold. I would say at least 4,600. 4,600, but we will see. I do like how silver bullish now comparing. I mean, gold also looks bullish. I would like to see a bit more to upside. Quite choppy here on 5-minute chart. Doesn't load resistance liquidity run, but we need to get a bit more to upside once again. Yeah, let's see if it's going to pump, guys. If I will enter long, it will be on ES. If ES respects 5-minute fair value gap, we can look 5 minutes. This one? Shorts below 70 for 2019, so it's mean threshold of 15-minute, 5-minute OB. But still, I'm not fan of shorts. Minor SMT here, at pullback. Yeah, if everyone bullish, so normally we drop. Normally we drop at this point. What about YM, by the way? Well, yeah, kind of fighting right now. Oh, okay, that's interesting. Still nothing here. Nothing good here. My model not presented yet. Okay. Pasha, did you trade today something you're funded? One hour chart. Oh, this one. It's a bit tricky area. Do we have any news, guys, today? Works factory. Let me check. Nope, no news. Okay. Let's see. Let's see, guys. It's not even 9:50 yet. They sleeping. It's Monday. NinjaTrader and Q. It's Monday. Oh. Damn. Not great. Hello, hello. God, I was about to have heart attack. Let me turn off the sound. Come on. So we just hit 74.20. Let's see what kind of rejection is going to be. Reaction or invalidation? I trade only liquidity sweeps, 3-minute OB, 5-minute OB, nothing here yet, so I'm fine to wait. We're still above New York midnight open and keep trying to approach this level. Let's see how we're going to respect min threshold first. Same min threshold of 15-minute OB. Yeah, sweep of this min threshold is perfectly fine. Once we invalidate this OB, this means we're going to close below min threshold. So we can look for short at this point. Right now, not yet. I'm okay not being first seller. I don't need this one. Good morning, good morning. We just took Friday. Let me check. And we, you know, it's quite interesting on SPX. We don't have any gaps all over. What can happen? We technically can hit OT of this range and already hit actually. Look at these gaps here. We have gap here. We have gap here. So technically we could get some reaction soon. Yeah, it's empty, see? I packed some yesterday. We just hit OT of this huge move up. I'm gonna switch on ES back on ES back on ES. Don't want to short this. I'm either going to, if it's going to be bearish, like I'm super wrong with my bias today and no longs to my daily objective area. I would like to just trade second stage of market maker sell model. It's fine. You got job in London? I'm thinking about longs above this red line. I would like to get 5-minute closure to aim for 74.57. We'll trade today like 5 micros. One, two, three, four. Okay. Let's see. I like long idea as well. So something like this. Would like to get 5-minute candle closure. It's like 1.6 R. Good one. Get sleep. I need to change music. I will think about it, guys. Okay. Good morning, good morning. We'll add some Russian music, guys. I don't have monetization on my YouTube, so we can try to find some good Russian remix music. It's gonna be so funny. Looking promising. Let's see if we're going to get the closure. We'll try some longs. Just will scalp this. How much I'm going to risk? Guys, let me calculate real quick. Well, we'll see. Between 4 and 5 micros. Let's see my try soon. We'll trade my 150k accounts, guys, so I can risk more there. Not like $400 or so. Let's see if we're going to get the closure. In Russian. Looking for longs here. One ES. I'll put my stop loss here. Okay, trying. Well, my first try here. It's 950 macro. If I'm early, we'll wait for silver boot. Sorry, guys. So we can partial at 50, 70 for 50. I entered with 5 micros. Possible TP on NQ. I know, let's try to aim for some internal liquidity levels. So you can partial here at 29,375. Let's see if I'm right with my daily objective area. So guys, why we want to partial at 50? Who can tell me why I want to partial at 50? Come on, faster. Who knows why I want to partial at 50? Why 74.50 can be our partial level? Who can help me with this? Does anyone know why 50 can be partial level? Potential order block. Exactly right. So as a reaction from, for example, 30-minute fair value gap, what we can get? An attempt to offer change in structure. An attempt to offer change in structure, which will be confirmed by 50-minute order block. Or it can be fake OB. At this point, what we want to do? We want to lock some profit, right? We want to lock some profit. We talked about this yesterday. If we want to scalp something and we see reaction from high time frame level, what we want to do? We want to take some partial at level where we can get rejection, right? Where we can get rejection. So at this point, it's 74.50. So since this level can offer rejection, what we want to do right after this? What we want to do after we're going to hit this level? I don't know if we're going to hit this level. I cannot see the future. But what we're going to do after we're going to hit this level? We're going to trail our stop loss because we expect to get a rejection from this level, right? Guys, makes sense. Move to break even. Exactly right. We're moving to break even now. We're moving to break even now. Makes sense? Why? Your next TP 74.57.25 and that's it. See guys? Logic. Logic works sometimes. Step by step, right? So remember I said, I talk about potential continuation setup. So what we want to see at this point? If we want to trade continuation setup, we want to see retracement back to discount, right? So we retrace back to discount and yes, on 5-minute chart and 15-minute chart, guys, partial, once again, don't forget to partial, friendly advice. We can get rejection soon. So on 15-minute chart and 5-minute chart, we expected mean threshold of 5-minute and 15-minute OB. As long as we're expecting mean threshold of order block, this means this OB by default is super strong, right? So we expected this, we were waiting for reaction. So I call this, well, I call this candle as a reversal candle. I don't know name for this candle. I call this candle as reversal candle. We got down close candle and we got the closure above previous candle. It can be OB, but technically it's like reversal candle. So I entered a bit late, but sorry for this. We had to enter slightly lower, but doesn't really matter. So reaction from OB, continuation setup. No, it's not T-Trade indicator, just ICT high time frame candles by FADI. Guys, makes sense. Everything I explained makes sense. You can partial at liquidity level as well. Let's take one contract off here. I'm going to take one contract off here at this liquidity. I just took this off. 2 micros left on this position. Damn, good W. I like it. Let's see if you're going to hit equilibrium Friday range. I woke up with feeling we're going to kill this today. It was for a reason. It was for a reason. Interesting, actually, now. Just to observe, are we going to hit equilibrium Friday range or not? Because we pick right instrument to trade. ES looks millions times better than NQ, in my opinion. Solid W. So happy with my trade. Guys, 2 micros left. I closed more than 50% already at high. Oh, look at this week here. That's funny, actually. Damn, didn't hit equilibrium Friday range. I didn't like it. Hit daily objective. But see, guys, it's W. I'm so happy we kill this as always. Patience pays. Seriously, plan the trade, trade the plan. Nice start of the week. Damn, but we need to hit equilibrium Friday range. It's going to be ridiculous. Friday range level, I measured from high to low. I don't remember on 1 hour chart I did this. From midnight to Friday low. That's how I measured this. Please, can you hit equilibrium Friday range without these games? It's like just, I need this so bad. Damn, yes, looks actually, it looked so good for longs. Look at NQ now. Good thing I like took another partial here. But I'm not happy with 57.25. Need to get some more. Maybe it will be silver bullet, who knows? We will see. Yay, my red phone, it's over there, see? But we got 1.4 hour, not bad. I normally aim for 1.5 hour. This 10 AM open. Interesting, Q looks a bit more bearish. What about gold? Gold what? Well, gold looks bad. On oil, would like to see a bit more to upside. But on indices, I also would like to see a bit more to upside. Hit my daily objective and you can drop from there, please. We can get second trade there. Yeah, Amelia, I would say NQ short looks better than long. Okay, probably going to get break even on the rest of my contracts. Damn, didn't hit 57. What the heck? It's like illegal. It's criminal. What a joke. Maybe look for second trade, it's okay. Not big profit locked. Hey. Well, we will look for another. It's like small profit right now on my accounts. Not big one. We'll look for another trade. Was trading straight to funded accounts. Okay, looking for another trade. Maybe a partial actually here. Okay. Nice trade. Look at okay, let's back to analysis. Nice one, nice one. Really good trade. Proud of myself. W, guys, good one. Let's look for another trade. Epic's activation fee depends on account size. I took most position off. Yeah, of course. Most position off at this highs. I had just runner. Nothing else. Guys, did you see update on NinjaTrader? That's actually a cool one. I took most position off. Just micros left. 2 micros left in this position, which I cut slightly in profit. Yeah, I remember this. But we still managed to get W, so no complaints. Sometimes I'm queen of shit price action. I know, like with 2 contracts. I'm in profit today, so we will see. I don't know how much. Basically your commission, I guess. Well, we trace back to OB on 3-minute chart. Not fun, it didn't hit equilibrium Friday range. Not fun. It can be a bit choppy now. Let's see. I'm just wondering if I want to trade again, but I don't really see good setups. Still, idea will be below 74.20. We need to get 5-minute candle closures there. So technically, we hit buy side liquidity level. So lower time frame market maker buy my model completed. So that's why I trailed my stop loss to break even. So let's see if it's going to break 74.20. Can be nice drop there. But at least here it was my model. Like right now, nothing. Just gonna wait more. But happy with my W on one day. Not huge one. It's fine. But we planned this trade. I still would like to see 74.57. Doesn't make any sense not to hit this one. So we got exactly the same entry pattern here. I see exactly the same entry pattern right now. Just don't really understand this retracement. Seems exactly the same long to me. Yeah, it's exactly the same one, guys. But I'm not in a rush to enter. I hate to give second chance, guys. Like, really not fun. We got SMC at lows as well. Like it. Looks good to me. I see exactly the same long now. The sound is low. Sorry, guys. I just need to bring this like here. Keep this next to my mouse. Need to connect my Apex account as well. Yes, Daniel, I see. The problem with NQ, we have obvious level on yes. On NQ, not really. Yes needs to pump to daily objective area. It's exactly the same entry pattern. Just wondering where I would enter again. Probably same level. I can short as long as it's expecting 74.20. It's like 100% red flag for shorts. For me, at least. Yeah, we do have SMT. We do have exactly the same entry patterns that I entered before. Hate these retracements, deep retracements. But I had to trail to break even, be hit by side. Like, no choice. It's 100% break even. As well as we took partial at potential 15-minute OB. So far, we see, guys, what we got. We got the closure inside this range. So far, it's fake OB. But no way it's not going to hit equilibrium on Friday range. It will be such a stupid move then. I mean, stop loss on my trade was like 15 points. It's big range. So consider your contracts accordingly. So if you usually trade 1 minute, please, twice less. It's 10-10 only? I already feel like it's already 11. And Q, yes, but ES needs to do this. You know, in my opinion, ES plays way stronger when we talk about equilibrium, like of something. If NQ hits this level, ES fails, ES will hit this later. But if ES hit but NQ failed, like we don't need to see this on NQ. ES stronger with these levels. I don't know why, like just because. That's why I want to see still higher. We need to hit this damn equilibrium Friday range. We already hit this level on. By the way, where is this level on NQ? I deleted? Whatever. But yeah, ES needs to jump there. Damn, why you trade that much here? Hello, hello. I know it's going to hit this, but without me this second try. Happy I took at least one trade, but still needs to jump more. Pump it, pump it, pump it, pump it. Oil, on oil I want to see 101, 102 area, but on ES I would like to see higher as well. Yeah, no FOMO. I mean, yeah, of course I want to make more money, but at the same time, I hate to give second chance. When we get in this kind of retracements, I always question second try. Oh, seriously? Congratulations! Sorry guys, that was loud. If you're going to pump to my daily objective on ES, and Q long will hit, if in case you're going to enter long, 375 is coming. Hello, hello. We're going here, otherwise it will be the most stupid move. Or if it's going to drop now, it will be the most stupid drop I ever seen in my life. Logically, we need to go here. Logically, this situation doesn't make any sense, but once again, we're not trying to find the logic, right? Because I expect to get rejection just from here. Such a criminal move here. 54 but not 57. What the heck? I'm okay to look for a second try. I just don't see perfect silver bullet yet. I see chop. Nothing else. We stuck at 10 AM open. ICT changed the algo. I remember ICT a long time ago said you need to adjust yourself. Criminal, right? Illegal, ridiculous. Scam. We need to adjust ourselves to new market conditions, and yeah, market changes, so it's normal. So how I adjusted myself, I just reduced my risk. This year I reduced my risk twice. But I still make money, so. But this really helped me when I reduced my risk. This really helped me to manage my accounts. Since I have, if you guys new on my channel, I have over than 35 funded accounts. So, I traded 5 today only on my TradingView. But overall, yeah. If you're not super confident, you see it's quite like strange, big range. You don't understand IM session consolidation, but you really want to try something. So what you can do, like size down. That's it. You were ICT dollar? Seriously? That's funny. Why? I need to know why. Chris, what is your level? Can you see something on yes? Do you like my level at 74.57? Oh, I got it. I'm just good at explaining stuff, not only in trading. I remember when I was trying to explain like math to some kids, to my son. I'm just good at explaining something. That's why probably it seems like I have more knowledge than someone else. It just seems like this. I just explain this in easy way, I guess. Yeah, I already out on my trade, but I would like to see 74.57 or market is a scam, seriously. Yeah, 74.71 is even better. Guys, we will go there, otherwise market is a scam. I'm going to repeat this many times. Oops. Market maker scared of this. When I like put this in my chart, market is a scam. No one wants to blow accounts. It's more about psychology. Like, of course, we see lots of people on internet like shows like huge P&Ls, like thousands of dollars per account. 100. I saw like someone post 50k per account. I was like, damn, that's good. But at the same time, I need to like understand. You have no idea how many accounts they blew before. They always hide their account number. Because of course it's nice for them to show like huge P&L, to sell like courses, Discord or something like this. And you don't know like what is behind this, right? Yeah. I'm just trying to keep this real. I'm always transparent about how many accounts I blew. I always show my account number. Like, actually, always show my account number. I never hide it. On Apex, everywhere. And I like transparent about like I'm trading 2.5 micros on my 35 funded accounts. So I take losses. My win rate like right now 65%. Not bad, but yeah, could be better. But you never guess saw like my loss more than $450 because I didn't have this kind of losses. It's quite happy. Happy we took this nice move. So far we got like trade of the day. Seriously, guys. Unfortunately, our runner stopped at break even, but it's okay. It's not a problem. It's not a problem. We still can get something else. I truly believe we need to go higher. The question is when it's going to happen. Yeah. Pasha, are you in long or short? Gold, you know, problem with gold, we have low disease liquidity run, so not fun on lower time frame, but on high time frame we still have chance to pump. Right now, probably just retracement. On oil, I would like to see slightly higher. ICT core content, month 4. Best one. Also, one of the best videos on ICT YouTube channel calls Bridge Builder. Bridge Builder is like 1 hour or like 1 hour 30 minutes long video, but best one ever. What else I enjoy to watch? Core content months 4 and 9. A Bridge Builder. When he was talking about advanced fair value gaps. Because I do like topic about breakaway gap, measuring gaps. What else? I guess that's my best like 3 top. Core content months 4, 9, and Bridge Builder. Seriously worth to watch. Also, you can watch advanced fair value gaps, or how he calls this, I don't remember. Yeah, I was live yesterday, yeah. It's annoying to watch open position. Oh, it's fine. Just practice. Guys, market makers scare of this phrase, so when they see or market as a scam, they usually pump there. Unfortunately, my runner stopped at break-even and didn't hit my final TP. But I got like 1.4 R. It was 3 points away. Damn, that's ridiculous. I was live yesterday at 5:30 p.m. and until 7 p.m. Barbara. That's funny. Yeah, you know, guys, I already did, like, streams really helped me with FOMO, like, wild desire to recover my loss, and so on. I'm perfectly fine to take, like, runner at break even or take a loss. I'm fine with this. It's not a problem for me anymore. But I don't feel FOMO anymore. Once NQ displays above 10 AM open, 375 will be draw. Both ES and NQ displays in 10 AM open. We just consolidating here. Hello, George. How are you? Long time no see. I'm fine with this. When I see the tap, I would trust it to enter, and I'm okay to even take a loss. So usually my first try is like less contracts. On the second try, I usually give this more like contracts, more like another chance. Because you can watch my previous streams, you know, probably will notice that my first trade's always before 10. It's like 9:45, 9:50 or so. Can you please send me a message what kind of message you get? You're just silent, right? Guys, don't forget to participate in the giveaway. What? Oh, it's wood. Okay. Guys, did you see Lucid right now launch 50% off again on all plans? Damn, Lucid right now, like, I guess, cheapest prop firm. with one-time evaluation fee. Katana model, no, Rose. What kind of model is that? Share with me. We already took long. We already closed this. I'm just waiting for a second opportunity to enter the trade. Oh, you didn't trade? I mean, long was okay. We got 20 points. I don't have idea for gold now. You need to have personal daily loss limit. Guys, let me find screenshot for you and I'm going to show you this again. I already showed this before, but I'm going to show you my risk. How I risk. On my, it's over here, okay. You can take screenshot of this. That's my personal risk, guys. For my accounts. This one. I never ever wait for daily loss limit on account. I have personal daily loss limit. And yes, my risk not huge one, but that's guys how I risk my 50k account here. And I trade 50k TPT in Epics and 150k TradingView, Lucid, E8 futures, and I have some TPT as well. But that's my risk. So what is a buffer? So buffer is your drawdown amount plus $100. So on your TPT in Epics account, it's going to be $2,000 plus $100, which means before you build the buffer, you have brand new funded account, okay? You just started this. Your risk per day, not per trade, or I don't care how many trades you take a day, I usually take 1, 2. Your risk per day until you build the buffer, $250. Yes, maybe you need to trade 1 micro. That's okay. That's normal. Not a problem. So this means once you fund it with 50k account, it can be like any other account. It's just my example because I trade 50k TPT in Epics. Your risk before you build the buffer, you need to make $2,000 plus $100. It's your buffer. Everything above this is your payout. It's going to be $250. I know you're going to take this slow, but guys, I don't blow accounts, and this helps me a lot. So once you're going to take your first payout, this means yes, and you're going to aim for 1.5 R. My win rate right now, it was 70%, but last 3 weeks it wasn't perfect price action. I got lots of break-even, small losses. I didn't have like lots of losses, but I had some losses. So my win rate right now is 65%, but it used to be between 65 and 70. Not bad, right? So you're going to aim for 1.5 R. Used to be 2 R in 2025, 2024. We switched, we shifted a little bit to 1.5 R. Last week, it wasn't bad. I got only W's and some break-evens. Happy. But 2 weeks ago, I took on 1 loss actually, right? Okay, for last 2 weeks, I took probably 1, 2 losses only. It's not about this. It's just overall price action weren't perfect. So until you build the buffer, your risk is $250. You're going to aim for 1.5 R. Once you build the buffer, you can increase your risk to $300. This means you're going to take your first payout, and after first payout, your risk is going to be $300, and you're still aiming for 1.5 R, right? Of course, you can leave runner for 2 R, 10 R, whatever. So after second payout, and until until 10 payout or 5 payout, I don't care. Your risk is going to be $350. Still 1.5 R. Sometimes a bit less, sometimes a bit more. It's fine. But after second payout, you're above the buffer. Once again, your risk $350. On my Epics account, since I have them like for more than 6 months, 7 months, my risk still $350, not more. I never risk more on my 50k Epics account. Exactly the same idea works with 150k account. It doesn't mean you need to risk $350. You can increase your risk, but you need to be like well above the buffer. Don't shake. For 150k account, like risk a bit more. It's normal because you have more like room for drawdown. Yeah, here's example for 50k and 150k account. If you have 50k TradingView account, exactly same risk. It's just example what kind of accounts I have. It was rude. It was rude. Live account is completely different story. It depends on you. How big your account and so on. Entry model. I'm still waiting for second trade. It's just garbage. I have my entry model PDFs and videos. Go on my YouTube, or if it's really hard for you to understand my accent, go here on my Twitter, find this PDF, and I trade this one, liquidity sweep. That's how I trade. That's only model I trade. Let me send you a link for these PDFs. But you can also watch this on my YouTube with my explanation if you like my explanation. But here's the PDFs. You're very welcome. And evaluation. Normally, I copy my evaluation with my funded accounts. So I would say my risk on evals the same. I passed my Apex for one day. It was probably a different story. I just didn't want to waste my time on 20 accounts. So, well, on my Apex accounts, I passed for one day. But evaluations that I have now, when we have like not great price action, I trade only evals with exactly the same risk as on my funded accounts. Or sometimes I just copy all my accounts, and yes, risk is the same. Of course I have this problem sometimes, of course. That's why I always have plan B. I'm saying like if I'm early on this setup, I will enter here. Of course. Too much up, yeah. I passed my Apex account. It was gold, I remember, with one mini contract. I was scalping. Let's see if in Q, not in Q, ES is going to break 74.20. Because technically on ES, we completed lower time frame market maker buy model. That's why we took most position off here. Right now, just like, so price action. We entered long here, we closed here. I had 2 micros left on my runner and it's stopped at break even. Good trade. We got like 20 points. We never was in drawdown. Good trade. I truly believe when you trade your guys props, like partials, take partial when you can take partial. Pay yourself, seriously. You took nothing. Right now it's just shit. Seriously, price action. Yeah, I always copy trade. I don't remember a day when I traded only one account. I mean, it can be my personal account. You know why? No, I didn't know why. Tell us. You love it? We need to get some SMTs with silver. I was just trying to make a joke. Funny, right? Where's my second trade? Come on. Oh, guys, I'm not going to talk about personal account. My disc is usually like thousands of dollars. I trade personal separately, and a disc is bigger. So well, I have some Russian remix music. I'm gonna check if it'd be okay to add this. We're gonna listen some Russian music. You ready for this? You have music? Can you send me some? So I'm not going to get any like copyright issue with this. Actually, it's a great idea. Did you eat breakfast today? Yes. It's not beautiful. Come on. Pasha, the problem is with copyright. Well, I don't have monetization on my YouTube. Oh, seriously? Thank you so much. Let me save your channel. Thank you so much. I really appreciate this. Pasha, the problem with copyright music. Once again, I don't have monetization on my YouTube, and my streams don't have any monetization as well. But if I'm going to like listen here Russian music and I'm going to get copyright like message, you got like you use someone's music, and they send me message once saying if I'm going to use copyright music, going to give me strike. 3 strikes, your channel will be removed. I don't need monetization. You want to see like ads here, advertisements? I hate it personally. I don't see reason for you to watch this as well. You can make, I mean, yeah. Look at this drop down. That's not beautiful. Where's my 50% of Friday range? Like, not everyone can have premium. I have premium as well. But not everyone enjoys this. Market scam, yes, 100%. It was like 2 points away, 3 points away. What the heck? So I decided to turn off monetization like long time ago, like 6 months ago or so. I don't need this. And Q just hit New York midnight open. Damn. That's wild. I make nothing. Magnet scam. Market scam. I don't have ad as well, but some people don't have this one, so that's a problem. Not everyone enjoys this, right? Oh, I need to... How to put this... Right here, okay. Damn, dropping hard. But we broke 74, 20. So we got invalidation of my perfect daily objective area. Call him now. I'm using Replikanto, guys. Replikanto. We just broke 74.20. First invalidation, so we can actually drop to Asia low now. Not now, soon. Let's see. Second trade is coming probably. We just displaced below New York midnight open. Damn, I hate the situation here. Good job! Here's our fair value gap. We just sold through this fair value gap with no reaction. Yes, this music from YouTube. Music. They offer like some music, so you can download this and use. I found this on YouTube. I believe on YouTube, but yeah. Yes, daily inversion fair value gap. Hello, hello. Yeah, problem with gold right now, it's built in low resistance liquidity run to downside. Over here, see? That wasn't fun. Guys, you know, monetization. Not every single person here have premium subscription. And they need to watch this ad. Personally, I would hate this so much. So that's why I turned off monetization. Like 6 months ago or so. I'm okay to not to make money on YouTube, it's fine. Anyway, still, I'm fine. It's quite choppy right now. It's fine. It's not a problem for me. Yes, right now hit our fair value gap. We're still above New York midnight open while NQ broke below this level with displacement. So I don't see second guys trade yet. I will wait a bit more. It's fine. Yeah, guys, don't worry. I'm okay to sit without monetization on YouTube. Don't worry about me. Don't forget to click the like button, guys. We do giveaway soon. It's fine. I can make money from my trading, so it's fine. I will be okay with without any money from YouTube. No, it's still old office. I'm sitting in my old office, my old house now. We're moving on Friday. Pasha, because you need to sleep. It's just competition. You need to make you need to be in first 1,000. Top 1,000 to make to second round. It's fine. Don't try to make millions in this account. For today giveaway, I'm doing, guys, straight to Funded, as I promised. As I promised. Where's my second trade? Come on, market makers. Right now, it's just consolidation. We're just bouncing between premium discount, nothing else. $5K. I have 0 right now. I didn't even start my competition yet. Retest of 74.20 again. NQ broke below New York midnight open again. Not fun how it keep failing to offer the action from our fair value gap. Probably it's not a strong one yet. We will see. Still, there's no winning shift structure. We're sitting inside, guys, bullish PT ray on ES. We hit min threshold of our OB on NQ again. Stuck at New York midnight open. Right now, I don't see any good entries. Chris, how long it's going to stay there? Like today only? At 3:15, at 3:55 probably. London low. On NQ. We have SMT. Have you seen trades by Matt on competition? No. Lots of people participate. I need to play some trades today as well. There. And Q trying to stay above New York midnight. I'm looking probably for second trade. Let's see, maybe we'll try again. Let me see how big risk. Would like to see some displacement above 74.20. I might actually give it a try. But 3 micros only. Because I already lost some profit. Want to risk what I made. If it's going to displace above this 20, I would like to see this one. Something like that. Yeah, we do have SMT, I see this. You know, I call this candle as reversal candle. I have no idea what the right name of this candle, but we about to get the closure. It's exactly the same what happened here. Not fan of this yet. But it's to our potential trade. We will see. Kind of question this. I kind of question this. Let's see. I will wait a bit more. I'm not fun yet. First, what is Katana model? Let me Google this. I never ever heard about this. Katana trade. Is this like ICT? Never ever heard about this. I'm trying to Google this. I cannot find any information. Wait for 15 free value gap measure near swings. Well. It might be just garbage right now. I don't like how NQ looks. NQ looks bearish. I will sit on my hands. I don't like anything yet. Give a link. Yeah, sure. 1 second. Here is a link. Have you seen the mother and father model? How come you do so bad in NinjaTrader competition? What are you talking about, man? Yeah, I will check this. Tomorrow will be NinjaTrader Arena competition. This week, TradingView Arena Cup started. I didn't place any trades there yet. It's tomorrow, yes. 73%? Wow! $10 years of backtesting. That's wild. Yeah, that's why I always say, like, if you can take partial, guys, pay yourself, especially when you have intraday trading drawdown, of course. I don't trust anything. I didn't see like second trade, guys. If here I was confident here, I don't see anything that's worth to try. He used edge full. Okay, got it. $3,000. Wow. I'm up $0, 0 cents. we'll look for something today to trade. I hope so. I don't know, like I like some profit today, so like no complaints. Hey, 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 how are you? And Q looks bearish, I'm not going to lie about this, but I don't see like really something that's really worth to try. Five minutes, sure. With respect and fair value gap. Once again, what I see on NQ, it's bearish. It's trying to drop more. For example, to take Asia low, we're below New York midnight open. I don't see this either, Daniel. Let's wait, guys. I will stream today on TradingView TV at 1:30 p.m. Let me calculate something. I'm about to like to be done for the day, for IM session, but let's see. I see 5-minute bearish breaker block being respected. It's choppy right now. What happened on the yes? We just retraced back to the range, back to discount, nothing else. Girls on of course. So you wanted to tell us we don't know how to trade? Please behave. No, they're actually good. Seriously. ICT himself. Oh, lots of good guys on YouTube. I would probably rather to Google some topics that you don't understand. For example, unicorn model, and watch video by video. Maybe it will help more, because something that I like maybe will not work for you. Yes, I got account for first round, because I signed up. I did KYC as well. Yes, trying to respect our fair value gap. Damn, quite tricky. Yeah. My biggest concern here, I don't like how ES failed to take equilibrium Friday range. It's so annoying. Guys, I will start giving 8 minutes, just for information. As I promised yesterday, we're going to do straight to funded account for giveaway. Yeah, like, we need to hit this one. Maybe I'm wrong, but since it's Monday, and Monday normal just accumulation, we just need to trace back to discount. I would try to see some reaction from discount back to premium. And hit this equilibrium of right range so we can look for some rejection. It doesn't mean like we should reject immediately from 74.57. We should reject from this gray box. That's why I'm so skeptical on shorts on the ES now. I'm not saying like it will not work. I'm just saying I don't like it. I need to update my driver license today at 12. That's so annoying, by the way. My husband was able to change his address on his driver license online. I'm citizen, but I cannot do this online for some magical reason. He can, but I can't. I need to go to DMV to change this. That's so annoying. Why cannot do this online? Ridiculous. You think it's because of this? I'm citizen for like 5 years. It's not that bad, by the way, in my place. But what the heck? Seriously, why he could like he just changes online, but I cannot do this. So how to make appointment to change my travel license address? Yes, it's last time I also had to go to DMV, but it was like we just moved from to different state. Like, okay, I had to go to DMV. My husband also had to go to DMV. But right now, what's the problem? You think so? Like, why we have to go to DMV? My husband's citizen for like also millions years, and he doesn't need to go to DMV. It's like ridiculous. It's always a problem for me. I said, I asked my husband to go with me. I don't know. Seriously, I don't know. So I will ask today. I have appointment at 12 to change my travel license address. We will see how it goes. Oh yeah, on Tradify YouTube, of course. Okay, guys, let's do giveaway. Giveaway. I will let you know what kind of problem I had, why I cannot change my driver license, but it's that's so annoying. Super annoying. But I didn't change state. I moved from North Carolina to Florida 4 years ago. So yeah, I had to go. My husband had to go as well. We had no problem with this. But right now, what is the problem? Guys, I'm going to give you just 1 more minute to enter giveaway. Here's the link in the chat. For today, I'm doing 50K account. I did over 180 giveaways. I do giveaways every single day. That's actually wild. Yeah, I do need to go, but I have to go. They didn't let me to do this online. Stupid, right? Yeah, sometimes I'm very limited with accounts. because they're quite expensive. Daniel already got his gift from me. Okay, guys, come on. Enter giveaway now. 30 more seconds. Here's a God gift from me. Don't worry. Don't worry. This market just chop. Nothing else. How to enter? 30 more seconds, guys. Even less. Here's a link. Well, guys, 10 more seconds to enter. Where's it? Frank, your birthday. It's like it's in fall. Was it October? I don't remember for sure. I'm waiting. Come on, waiting, guys. My husband says this. Yeah, I also feel like my citizenship wasn't updated on the system. I'm gonna check and make sure it's updated because I don't want to go like every like year or so. It's like so crazy and ridiculous because it's really hard to get appointment. But I got appointment. Okay, guys, let's go. You need to say like I'm in the chat, so I make sure like you watch my stream because if you're not in the chat, I'm going to pick different guy or girl. Marcella, I cannot pronounce your name, but are you in the chat? You have 37 seconds to claim your prize. Otherwise, yeah, I see you. So you want 50K straight to funded account. This means you don't need to pass your val. You're going to get straight to fund account immediately. If you want to know more information about straight to funded, you can watch video about TradingView on my YouTube channel. Congratulations, guys, to winner. So guys, it's just really choppy. I would like to get some displacement above New York midnight open on NQ and on ES above 74.20. So maybe at this point we're gonna hit equilibrium of Friday range finally. We got W today. As always, we're the best. We'll do push-ups tomorrow, okay, for this, because I'm not like in perfect look today for some sports. Tomorrow. We're the best, guys. I woke up with feeling we're going to kill this today. It was for reason. Love you guys. Daniel, happy birthday one more time. You're the best. Don't forget to participate in NinjaTrader Arena competition. Over here. Check link in the description below. Also enter giveaway at Funded.now/NT-Arena. You are the best, guys. Wish you good luck. See you today at 1:30 p.m. on TradingView TV. If you cannot make it, I will see you tomorrow at 9 a.m. Love you guys. You are the best as always. Don't make stupid mistakes. If you have any questions, guys, just feel free to send me a message with any questions you have, okay? Love you guys. You're the best. Bye, everyone.